getmybabymoney.com.
Get my baby money. Get your money, baby, get your money, money. Get my baby money.
We're getting close to the world premiere of getmybabymoney.com music video. You're going to love it. Welcome back to Child Support Court, the Vodcast with Judge Harry Bowden. Thank you for coming back today. We're going to deal with something very, very specific, and that is, what does child support cover? What is it supposed to cover? What are you supposed to be doing with the child support? Let's get into it. Child support covers a myriad of issues. We said before, basic needs, food, shelter, clothing. But there are other things that need to be considered when we support the child and the child's other parent. For example, uninsured medical expenses. What? For most non-custodial parents, you really don't think about that, especially when you're young. Uninsured medical expenses? What medical expenses? Ladies and gentlemen, particularly gentlemen a little bit more, the child gets a code. The child has to have shots. The child has to have checkups. And the older they get, the more expensive they can get. So uninsured medical expenses is something that you should do what? Put in your, starts with a B, ends with a T, budget. All right, so we dealt with uninsured medical expenses. Another item that child support covers is educational fees. Whoa, educational fees. You know, when I was going to school and played ball, we got our uniforms for free. Uniforms cost now. Helmet, shoes. And let's just not talk about the sports aspect of it, because you need sports, you need academics, you need like tutors when they're falling a little bit behind. You need, if they're going to be on the drill team or the band, they have all kind of educational expenses. That's extracurricular. Oh, that's another one. Extracurricular activities. And we're going to talk about some more when we come back from this station break from a word from our sponsors.
Welcome to La Hacienda, where there's good food, good times, and great people.
Welcome back. Oh my God, wait a minute. Don't you think for a minute that you don't remember? Oh, you didn't do nothing while you went to school, so you want your child not to do nothing? I don't think so. Let's talk about the chess club. We have those tournaments. We have the nice little jacket with the emblem on them. We have the t-shirts that proudly project, I'm a member of this club. Those are educational expenses that have to be paid. Yeah, I know your child is just a baby, but let me ask you this. Even babies have expenses that you need to deal with, like child care. Child care? Yes, wait a minute. It could include your mama or your daddy or your grandmama or your granddaddy or your uncle or your aunt or your cousin. Don't you want to give them a little something? Because they do keep the child for a long time while you're not there. So let's talk about child care also as one of those expenses. What about transportation, travel? Well, my child doesn't drive. Oh, gosh. Didn't we say that the custodial parent sometimes has to drive them? Oh, let's think about when you drive them. You don't do it on an empty gas tank, do you? Even if you ride public transportation, the card has to be paid for when you have the child. So, thank you for attending Child Support Court with Judge Harry Bowden, the Vodcast, and we will see you back next episode.